In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Clipchamp. So, first of all, one of the easiest ways to do this is to go to YouTube and type in the music you want. So, let's say copyright-free music. You can go down here and find one that you want. So, let's say you go down and you find this track here. You like this track here. So, what you're going to do is copy the link to it. Go to YouTube to MP3 or one of these kind of converters. Paste it in here. And it's going to ask you what quality you want it in. So, click convert, hit download, and it's going to download here. Now, make sure you remember where it's downloaded to. You want to come into Clipchamp now, and what you want to do here is you want to go to your media and click import media. Once you've clicked import media, it's going to open up this box here. And now you just need to find where you saved the media. So I saved ours here, Heroic Cinematic. Now it's going to take a little while to upload depending on how big the file is and how fast your internet is. Now, boom, it's ready. So we can see the file is here. Now we can click and drag it, and make sure you drag it below. We've dragged it below here. I'm going to just crop it to the start of the track like that. And now if I press play, it's going to play the audio. Now you can hear that's very loud. So on the right here, we're going to go to volume and we're going to turn it all the way down to like this. We only want background noise. Now, let's say we don't want it to come in straight away. We can fade it. So on the settings here, on the right here, there's the settings. So we can go to fade. So do we want to fade it in? This means it will fade in for 1 second. Also, we can go here, we can go to speed. So if we want to speed it up, we can do that. Now if I play it, you can hear it sped up and it takes a little while to fade in. But these are all the settings you can fiddle around with to get the audio to your liking. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.